My favorite time of year is here. It's time to put out the stock tank pool, so we got to get the patio all cleaned up. So we're getting ready to spray it down, get some bleach on it, get it prepped, and then we can finally bring out the stock tank pool from back there and get everything going. We put in this patio 2 years ago and then got a stock tank pool. We used to have a porch out here that was all the way over that way, but we decided the patio would be nice, especially in empty nester life. We sit out by the fires and eat on the porch and stuff. Patio. So we're just wetting it down. Then we're gonna do a bleach and water cleaner and then power wash.